How to share hotspot or Wi-Fi without password on Android phones. If you've ever wanted to share your internet through hotspot with someone, you've probably forgotten the password and had to go back to settings to check. Or maybe you typed it wrong several times, wasting a lot of time. So, in this video, I'll show you how to share your Android phone's hotspot without needing or typing a password. Let's get started. For the first method, on your Android phone, go to Settings. Tap on Hotspot and Connections. Tap on Personal Hotspot. Turn it on if it's off. Once your hotspot is active, you'll see the Share Hotspot option appear. Tap on it, and a new page opens with 2 ways to share your hotspot without a password. The first method is by using the QR code. Now your friend just needs to open their camera, scan that QR code, and boom, they're connected instantly. No typing, no password sharing, and no spelling mistakes. It works perfectly on Samsung, Xiaomi, Infinix, Tecno, and most Android 10 and newer devices. That's one fast and secure way to share your Wi-Fi. Now, the second method is the built-in hotspot quick share trick, the easiest way to share internet access even if the other person isn't near your phone's Wi-Fi. At the bottom of that same page, tap on the quick share button. This opens the quick share portal. It shows your phone's hotspot details that you can send or share directly with your friend. Most Android phones now have the quick share feature. It's usually in your quick settings panel. You can also find it by searching quick share in your phone's settings and opening it from there. The person you're sharing your hotspot with needs to open quick share on their phone too. Once both of you have quick share open, your friend will detect your hotspot and connect automatically. No password needed. It's perfect when you want to share data quickly with family or friends without shouting your password across the room. So there you go, 2 super fast, built-in Android tricks to share Wi-Fi without typing a single password. Try them out and tell me which one worked best for you in the comments. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PauTECtips for more smart Android hacks every week.